एक एक्झिस्टिंग जे ज्युनियर रेजिडेंट पोस्ट आसात 173 दोज आर बीइंग एबॉलिश्ड. मागीर टू ऑथरायज डीन GMC टू अपॉइंट टोटल 350 junior residents in clinical, paraclinical and preclinical post. Magir to enhance existing remuneration paid to junior residents of postgraduate degree courses in clinical and para and preclinical departments, ज्यांची सॅलरी 55,000 असली ती 60,000 केली, 60,000 असली ती 65,000 केली. तसेच फर्स्ट इयराक, सेकंड इयराक आणि थर्ड इयराक 25,000 असले. फॉर पॅरा आणि प्री क्लिनिकलांक ते आम्ही क्लिनिकला बरोबर हाडले आणि तांकांय 60,000 केले. फ्रॉम 25,000 एनहान्स टू 60,000. एरिया एट मेजरिंग 82,595 square meters under various survey numbers at village Kapau in Tiswadi. It is in Panchayat jurisdiction of Panchayat Sant Matthias. Diwar. ह्या हातून एक मेसस ओझोन लीजर and Resorts Private Limited has been permitted to set up 5-star resort and villa estate development at village Kapau, Washi म्हणतात तेका, in village Panchayat of St. Matthias, Tiswadi, by notifying it as investment promotion area. This project is supposed to create jobs for 650 number of persons directly and 1,500 indirect employment with an investment of 750 crores. The present proposal is to define certain terms such as area, casino, electronic gaming, live gaming, offshore casino, onshore casino, and passenger capacity in the Goa Public Gambling Act 1976, so as to give clear meaning of the said terms for the purposes of clear interpretation of the said act, since the same were not defined earlier. The Council of Ministers resolved to approve enhancement of the age of teaching faculty from 62 to 65 years in respect of Goa Medical College and Hospital, Goa Dental College and Hospital, and Institute of Psychiatric and Human Behavior, Bambori, and necessary amendments to the relevant section of Goa University Act 2009 will be carried out by Directorate of Higher Education. Occupancy class 2 ताच्याकडे possession आसा. Occupancy class 1 करतलो करीत जाल्यार पोझिशन येता आणि मालकी येता. आमी ताच्या खातीर रेट्स ठरयल्यात. जो A क्लास म्युनिसिपल एरिया आसा ताका 150 रुपीज पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. B क्लास म्युनिसिपल एरिया आसा तिका 100 रुपया पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. C क्लास म्युनिसिपल एरिया आसा तिका 80 रुपीज पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. मागीर A क्लास पंचायत एरिया जी आसा म्हणजे कोस्टल एरियाज ताका 75 रुपीज पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. B क्लास पंचायत एरियाज एका रुपीज 65 पर स्क्वेअर मिटर आणि C क्लास पंचायत एरियाज ज्यो आसात त्यो रुपीज 50 पर स्क्वेअर मिटर. आमी we have resolved to approve the enactment of this amendment to Goa Land Revenue Disposal of Government Lands Rules 2016. The Cabinet has recommended the project of Messrs. Padmanabh Shishya Sampradaya Trust. This is to set up Sanskrit University and Ved Vidyalay. The project aims at creating employment to the extent of 425 and investment proposes 6.25 crores.